Are you looking for the best auto-leveling 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best auto-leveling 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D Printer Kit. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus stands out as the latest iteration of an acclaimed line of 3D printers, maintaining its reputation for excellence. It comes with a US power supply and an 8GB SD card for added convenience. Available as a DIY kit for self-assembly, this printer also offers the option of a fully built and tested version. One of its notable features is the fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, ensuring precise and hassle-free printing. The inclusion of an IR filament sensor allows for automatic pausing when the filament runs out, contributing to a smoother printing experience. The printer supports filament autoloading, adding to its user-friendly design. The MK3S Plus incorporates high-quality components such as genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an EINSY Rambo motherboard. These components, among others, contribute to making the MK3S Plus a reliable and efficient 3D printing workhorse. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 4 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 3D printer boasts an impressive set of features designed to enhance both speed and printing quality. With a lightning-fast printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, thanks to its Clipper motherboard and high-performance processor, this printer allows users to bring their creations to life at an unprecedented pace. The recommended printing speed is a still speedy 250 mm per second, striking a balance between rapid production and optimal results. In terms of reliability, the Neptune 4 incorporates a dual Z-axis lead screws design, ensuring stability and smooth operation during printing. The inclusion of support for input shaping and pressure advance functions further contributes to achieving high-speed printing without compromising on the quality of the final product. The printer offers a substantial build volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 10.43 inches, 225 by 225 by 265 mm, providing ample space for various projects. Number 3. Official Creality K1 3D Printer. The official Creality K1 3D printer is a powerhouse in the world of 3D printing, aptly dubbed the King of Speed. It boasts an impressive maximum speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration reaching 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, a remarkable 12 times faster than conventional 3D printers. This exceptional speed makes it a standout choice for those seeking efficiency and rapid printing. Designed for a hassle-free experience, the Creality K1 is geared towards quick and easy setup. The printer is shipped as a whole unit, accompanied by a boot-up quick guide and a self-test to ensure smooth functionality right out of the box. Its 32 mm superscript 3/S large flow hot end enables swift heating to 200 degrees Celsius in just 40 seconds, ensuring optimal melting of consumables during high-speed and high-temperature printing. Number 4. Snapmaker A350T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker A350T 3D printer is a cutting-edge, modular 3-in-1 device that goes beyond traditional 3D printing. This innovative machine combines 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving capabilities, providing users with a versatile tool to unleash their creative potential. With a focus on smarter, faster, and more powerful features, the A350T stands out as a new generation 3D printer. It eliminates the need for multiple machines, offering a comprehensive solution for various crafting needs. One notable feature is its larger printing size, boasting a substantial build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches. This expanded capacity allows users to create models that surpass the limitations of most other printers, enabling the production of one-piece large-scale prototypes without the hassle of file splitting. This not only enhances creativity but also significantly reduces the time it takes to turn ideas into reality. Number 5. Entina Mini 3D Printers. The Andina Mini 3D printer seems like a dream come true for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. It boasts a hassle-free experience with its out-of-the-box, fully assembled design, allowing users to embark on their 3D printing journey within minutes. The printer's speedy performance adds another layer of convenience to the user experience. One standout feature is the auto-leveling and magnetic platform, eliminating the need for manual leveling. The intelligent leveling system automatically adjusts the bed, ensuring one-touch leveling and seamless printing. The flexible and removable magnetic build plate further simplifies the process, enabling easy model removal. Precision is a key focus with the dual Z-axis rails, enhancing stability and improving printing details and accuracy. This feature makes the Entina Mini 3D printer ideal for beginners exploring various DIY crafts.